Welcome to Corbellic Studios. I want to paint another Cubism woman face right now, but this one I want to do it a little bit faster, a little bit more abstraction, and I really want to try to let some different colors and different flows go through this one. This one we're just going to have fun with. It's the last painting of the day. Usually when you're on your last leg and it's either the last painting or the last few paintings, say to yourself, those paintings are for you. Who cares? Just have fun with it, throw different colors down, have big brush strokes and whatever. It's time for you to experiment and you could just have fun. You deserve it. It's at the end of the day. So that's what I'm feeling like right now. This is my last painting, maybe, and I'm just gonna knock this one out, see what we come up with. All right, it's gonna be a Cubism beautiful woman. They're all beautiful. They're all beautiful. You know what I say. All right, so let's get into this painting right now. And I'm just gonna go with a big broad brush strokes and just get some colors in here. Just get some colors in here first so that way we can have a background. We don't have to, when we do a background like this, when we're doing a portrait, we're going to do it like this because we don't have to fill in the colors on the whole painting. We can have some areas just be this and it's good enough. We don't have to fill in all of these areas with color. Does that make sense? You could just use this as your coloring, like of some parts of her face. We could just use this color. This is why I use so much white. I'm going through this stuff. But I love doing it like this too, because this is better than gesso. You don't have to use gesso when you got acrylic and you already, look, we're already done with our color right there, okay? Look at that, that's our color. Done. Boom. That's our color background right there. Now we're just going to dry it off and go into the face, see what we see. I don't care. Darn it, the battery died midway, but we're going to still just keep going with this. I mean, we really didn't get too much going. We just blocked in some colors, really. We really didn't get into the details or any of the good stuff. So we did the lips, did some of the dark colors, and I don't know where the camera died off at, but we're just going to keep going. Normally I would just be like, oh man, I'm going to throw it all away. Hey, in life, that's what happens. You got to make lemonade out of lemons. Doesn't matter. Party still goes on. So let's keep rocking with this, all right? Let's keep going. Nothing's going to stop this party. There's always going to be some kind of technical issues, life issues, things in your way, someone calling your phone. What happened is my mother called and I kept painting, not realizing, and then the battery died. So you got 3 different trifectas. Now, normally I don't answer phone calls or I don't deal with phone calls when I'm working, but come on. It's your mother. What are you gonna do, right? You gotta answer your mama. I'm always so busy working, hardly get a chance to talk to her. So make sure you talk to your mothers. All right, so this is cool for me. Like, I'm not gonna really, I wanna be abstraction right now. Like, I wanna ruin this, if that makes sense. This is my painting. Remember we said that at the beginning. Like, we can feel like this is my painting. Let the chips fall where they lay. If I want to make mistakes, then I'm going to make it. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to just make some broad decisions on here, like just go into this pink, for example, and just go, That's what I used to always do when I did these abstraction pieces, is that I would just make my own choice. And you can do that too. You don't have to marry the projector. We say, yeah, we're working off the projector and it's the projector method, but we're just doing that as a tool. We can use that as a tool to even get started with some of the inspirations, or just to get started where you're like, if you don't feel motivated, because you don't want to come up with a new idea. You don't want to try to recreate the wheel, and that sucks. I get it. That's the reason that we use it. But once we're already there, it's time for us to just destroy the wheel. It's our thing now. It's my wheel. All right, let's do some blue for the eyes. And then after this, now we could just go in and we're going to just go with the black. Go with the black. And then after that, then we're really going to punch it up with different colors. Like I said, you didn't miss anything. The good stuff. Let's go in with the 3/4. Like we're almost to my favorite part when I get to paintings. And then look at that. So then right? We're not married to the lines. I'm just doing this so that way I can get in later on with the different colors and lines that we want. The layers of colors. You'll see what I'm saying. This is for me. I'm gonna hang this up in the house. Or at least that's what we can say to ourselves. And then we don't have to put this up for auction. We can just put this up for gallery pricing. Look at that. It's already turning out to be a beautiful thing. And we're not even to the fun part yet. All right, so that's good for now. Now what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna turn the lights back on, and then I'm just gonna punch her up with some colors. No, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm going to dry her out a little bit with the heat gun, and then we're gonna go in with the colors, punch her in with some layers, some different colors, lines. Then we're gonna do some white to punch in those colors, then we're done. All right, boom. So here we go. Now let's just go in with some different colors. So that way the black isn't too pronounced, you know? Like, I'll kind of go over top of the black a little bit. So it's just not like a heavy black line. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm here. I'm here to stay. This is my painting. All right, now let's go in with some baby blue right here, just to pronounce that in. I'm telling you, I don't know what I'm doing, but it always works out. Even if it doesn't work out, it works out. It just be crazy, so crazy. All right, look, check this out. We're gonna do like lines right here. Draw some lines right here. Look at that. I love this part of every painting. So that's why for me, like when I paint fast at times, it's also so that I can get to the fun part of the painting, which is the different colors or just me punching in different colors. Does that make sense? I'm a layerist when I do my colors. So now that I did that, I think we're good now, so we could go into the white. So that way we could punch up our different colors. Let me know in the comments below what are y'all working on? Are you working on any art pieces? Or you just come here to watch me work? And that's cool too. I appreciate that. If you come here, you really help me out by putting the likes on the comments to let eBay know that people enjoy this, and then they share this beautiful content over to other people who would enjoy it as well. That costs you nothing, just to put a like on the video if you enjoy it, but only if you enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, then it's our secret. It's okay. I'll try harder on the next video for you, I promise. I'll paint harder for you, I promise I will. I'm so sorry. And then I think I'm pretty good, man. So I like doing stuff like this. This is what's fun for me. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's fun for me. I like painting like this, these Cubism woman portraits, and just doing different styles with it, with the colors. That's so awesome. All right, one last step and then we're done. Let's just do this as the outside color. And then here for a contrast to match. All right, boom, and we're done. Now let me just add my signature on here. And we did this together, huh? Look at that. So that's our painting right there. Fun, beautiful Cubism, woman, abstractions, just different things, different colors. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just showing up and having fun. You can do the same thing, you know, and not take yourself so serious about the art and put it up on eBay. You can sell it. If you want to learn how you can do this also for yourself, then click the link below to join the free eBay art community. I'm going to check you out on the next video.